have some printed photocopies which I had to digitize, and what I did was combine couple of postcard size photos in my HP scanner, and I've scanned it as into my computer. It looks like a collage image now with different photos together. So what I'm trying to show here is how I use the Gimp tool to extract these single photos which has been embedded as a collage work into different files onto your computer. For an example, I've taken a photo from the Google. So here you see this collage work of 5 individual photos. So what I'm doing here is to select each of these photos. I'm copying it in the edit menu, and then I'm right clicking it and going to the paste function, and I'm pasting it as a separate layer. So I'm doing it for all the individual photos on this frame. So I'm selecting the second one. I've already used Ctrl C for copy, and for paste I'm going to use the menu. So I'm going to do for the rest of the photos in this frame. So what we are doing here is creating individual layers for all the images that you see here in this collage work. So this is the third photo that I'm working on. So I've created 3 layers so far. In the left extreme you can see the layer menus. So far we have created 3 photos from this single piece of collage work. So we can continue to do for the rest of the remaining photos in this collage work. So now I'm on the 5th layer. I'm selecting it, copying. While copying, make sure that you select on the original photo for the selection and copying to work. So same thing, Ctrl C and Ctrl V into a separate layer. Now if you hide the original photo, this is how you should see your remaining layers without the white background. So now all that's left to do is go to the file menu, and here we are not going to use the regular save option. Instead we are going to use the another option which is called as export layers. This option is not available by default. You have to install a plugin for Gimp, for which I'm going to leave a link in the comment. So once you install this plugin, you will be able to get this menu, which is the export layers as files. So once you have this plugin installed, you have to go to that particular plugin from the file menu. So just leave the options as default. You do not have to change any option. Now just hit export. So what you'll see here is the Gimp starts exporting these individual layers that we have saved into individual files. So now if you go to the path where we've exported, we can see all the files that we've selected and created as individual layers. Cool, right? It saves a lot of time. If we have to do it individually from the Windows Photo app, it takes a lot of time to crop and get things done. Now what I want to show you is that this same can be applied to different shapes also, not just squares or rectangles. You can even use it on circles, or like in this case I've used the selection tool to draw a hexagonal shape. So you can use the select tool from the panel, select all the corners here. Once you come across the end, click and hit enter, so it goes into selection mode. Press Ctrl C to copy. Again, similarly go to the right click and go to the paste menu, paste it as a separate selection layer. Now you see the same thing getting done like in the previous clip that we did. So again, go to the export layer as a separate file. So we've done here, just one hexagonal shape for an example. So you see that's been done. So we've exported the individual files from the collage work. So I hope you find it useful. If you come across this situation as similar to what I had, and I hope you had a easy way of getting this done. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.